What's up, guys? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're over here in Rockingham County, North Carolina, and I'm going to be taking you through a Heartland 3XL. And yes, we're going to have a little bit of noise today. I thought about doing a voiceover, but I said nah, let's just see, let's roll with it and see what happens. So this is not your average Heartland 3XL, so that's the first thing I kind of wanted to talk about today. This is the 3XL with the Sweet Tea or Tea Ranch bump out option, okay? So I'm gonna go over here to the side to kind of give you a better idea how this works. I think this is the first one I've done with the Heartland series, but really you take a Heartland 3XL or whatever Heartland, which is a 2-module plan, okay? You have to site build the front porch. Well, this is a little different because you're going to basically add this third module, okay? So you're going to take that Heartland 3XL, add a third module that's going to add, heated square footage. It's going to add a master retreat or 4th bedroom or an office, which you'll actually see today. And it does give you a really good look, really a lot of texture front to back, that Tea Ranch look. Notice the vertical siding up there in the gable. And then one of the biggest differences, I would say, is the fact that we now have a factory included. So this front porch is actually integrated into that module that I keep talking about. So we don't actually site build it at that point like a lot of the other Heartland videos and Heartland plans that you're seeing. Okay, so let's get up here and check this bad boy out. It's at 2,343 square feet. The typical Heartland 3XL is at 2,089. All right, so the first thing you'll probably notice is by adding that third module or bump out, you do pick up a true foyer. And then off of that foyer, you've got a nice coat closet. Got this big cased opening, which leads to the living, dining, kitchen, all that good stuff. But before you get there, to your right, and this particular plan, it's 4 bedrooms plus this office or den or whatever they're going to use it as. So, you could technically make it a 5 bedroom. This is 4 with an office, what you'll see today. So that bump out or the Sweet Tea option that I keep talking about, or the Heartland Tea Ranch option, just makes the plan very versatile because you can always add that additional bedroom. You pick up the foyer. And then one thing I wanted to talk about too, and I probably should say this for the primary bedroom, but your master suite is here. That's your master bedroom wall. You can actually use this for an additional bedroom or office like this customer. And at the same time, this could be more of a retreat off of that master bedroom. It's like a master retreat type thing. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about the Heartland Tea Ranch option. So once you go through this cased opening, we are now back into your, more everyday or what you've seen more of the Heartland 3XL. So this is again the Heartland 3XL with the Tea Ranch option or Sweet Tea option. So from this point forward, more similar to what you've seen, and then I'm going to spin back around one more time to show you kind of what that section adds, okay? All right, so you got this great big living room here, and then that's going to open up to your dining on the left, kitchen on the right. I would note this is the alternate kitchen layout for the Heartland series plans, but available in all of the Heartland 1, 2, 3, 4, you name it, always going to be available. One thing I did want to point out, most of my videos, a lot of them are going to feature a door there. Just remember the double window, just like you're seeing there, is going to be where you start. If you want to add a door there, you can. Beautiful granite countertops today. It's one of the first things I noticed. I like how they two-toned this kitchen with the cabinet colors. You got the white on the walls and base cabinets there, and then you've got that black island. Really cool stuff there. I love that. It looks really good with the countertops. You are seeing the 8-foot ceilings today. One thing I want to talk about as well is this is the alternate kitchen without the bootlegger hidden door entry. So that is where your bootlegger pantry goes that you've seen in my other videos. We actually show our model there in Burlington with the bootlegger hidden door entry type thing. I just want people to realize one thing, you're gonna have a big walk-in pantry regardless. It's just a matter of how you access it. And that bootlegger pantry does cost a little bit more. So in here, they left out their shelving and they're gonna do their own shelving systems. Got your big 50-gallon water heater there. All right, so let's move down the hallway there, and just remember the Heartland 3 or 3XL is going to start you with 3 bedrooms. This back area is going to be a secondary den or living, secondary office, whatever. So this is actually the true 4-bedroom today, like I mentioned a while ago, with that office on that T-Ranch option. On the right here is your utility room. Nice big utility room sinks. They did feature the cultured marble tops today in the bathrooms and the utility room. I always kind of say it's a really nice product. It's less expensive than granite or quartz. It is an upgrade compared to, say, laminate, but that's something we would want to talk about. So yeah, like I said, a lot of times the original Heartland 3, this is a secondary den. It does cost you a little bit more to create this 4th bedroom, just from the framing perspective of a few more doors, a closet, all that good stuff. So, but you will see a ton of videos of it with just the original den. Again, this is the true 4-bedroom, and then you have that office or 5th bedroom on the T-Ranch. What's cool about the 4th bedroom though is you do pick up this hallway closet. That is not traditionally there with the original den in that location. Bedrooms 2 and 3. So the original Heartland 3XL is at 2,089 square feet. Today's plan was at 2,343 square feet. So let's just say you added roughly 250 heated square feet between the foyer and that additional bedroom or den. Over to the master suite, and remember that you can basically take out a portion of that wall, put a cased opening to create a master retreat off of this room. To the left is your big walk-in closet. And just an awesome bathroom. So this is an optional bathroom in the Heartland series. It is the 4x6 shower, that medium-sized shower. Again, notice the cultured marble tops as you go down the bathroom here. Tons of pull-out drawers. Great stuff there. 4x6 shower. The window and the flip-down seat is going to cost you extra. Typically, there's a rain head there. They must have not wanted one. It would come with a can light just like you're seeing there. Notice they did not frame out the true water closet. You can, roughly $500 to frame up a door and make it a true water closet, but you have privacy either way. They did, I wanted to point out a while ago too, I just forgot to say it, they did add a transom window in bath 2. That is not typically included, but a great way to work in some more natural light. So a lot of people love that. So, been getting a lot of comments about the vents being in the floor. They can be in the ceiling. Same with the returns. Ductwork, all that would be in the attic instead of under the house. So that is definitely an option. Most of my videos will feature the vents in the floor though. But if that's important to you, let me know. Did want to point out while I was looking over here, the 2x6 exterior walls are included with the Heartland series. That's going to include that thicker wall insulation and all that good stuff. So that's it for today, guys. Again, this was a Heartland 3XL with the T-Ranch option. It bumped that square foot from 2,089 to 2,343 square feet. That third bump out section does include the factory included front porch, which is kind of different from your typical Heartland series plans where we have to add the porch. So just remember that, guys. All right, thank you for your time. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I'm gonna drop down my email right here, shields@nccustommodulars.com. Thank you, guys. Take care.